Understanding the phrase, in stitches, a guide to English idioms. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore an interesting and humorous phrase in the English language, to be in stitches. This idiom might sound peculiar at first, but it's commonly used in everyday English. So, let's dive into its meaning and usage to help you sound like a native speaker. To be in stitches is a colorful expression used to describe someone who is laughing uncontrollably or very hard. The phrase creates a vivid image. It's as if the person's sides are being stitched together due to intense laughter. This idiom is often used in casual, informal conversations to describe a situation that is extremely funny. The origins of "to be in stitches" are quite interesting. It's believed to date back to the early 17th century. The phrase likely comes from the physical side effects of laughing too hard, like the feeling of tightness in your sides that might feel like being stitched up. Understanding the history of phrases like this can add depth to your comprehension of English idioms. Let's see how to use "in stitches" in real-life scenarios. 1. The comedian's joke had the whole audience in stitches. 2. I was in stitches when she told me about her funny travel mishap. 3. The movie was so hilarious, it left us in stitches from start to finish. Notice how the phrase is typically used to describe reactions to humorous situations. When using "to be in stitches," remember, it's used for situations involving humor. Don't confuse it with literal stitching or sewing. It's an idiom, so its meaning is not directly related to the individual words. I hope this video has brought a smile to your face and helped you understand the phrase, "to be in stitches." Idioms like this add color and expression to the English language, making conversations more vivid and engaging. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be using English idioms with ease and confidence. Until next time, happy learning!